Yeah, let's get going. I'm gonna show you how the market makers like they play with the game. But when you don't have time in your advantage, when they get the power to remove time out of the equation, and that's why giving all the competitive advantage. And let me show you. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Right, look here. All right, look here. You see all this shit going on. You see break. Some people, I know some people like not personally, but I know people that's trading within the 1 minute time frame. So they would say, okay, this is a strong candle, right? So we a video break strong, even though we don't have a confirmation candle, but that's a nice pullback. So some people will enter here, but look at here. This is a fake out. Know what I'm saying? Okay, look, follow with me. Let's go to the 5 minutes. Now the same candles that give you the entry. Hold up. 1 minute. You got the end. You got the breakout candle here. That would be your entry candle. That should be your confirmation candle. Right? It should be your breakout candle, confirmation candle, and then come back to retest it. But in this case, it didn't give you that. Right? So right here, what time is that? This is 10:32. Alright. Let's go 5 minutes. It's 10:30. So once again, you still got that move. You understand? Still got that move. Still makes sense in the 5 minutes. But look what happened. So if you got in here, if you're lucky, the guy here. I know some day trader, man. They scalpers. They will get it. All right, look at here. How much move is that? You get right at 358. But there's a dangerous space though. Like they can get you, you know what I'm saying? They can get you out of they can put you in the red zone so quick that you will hate this freaking trading thing, man. Trust me. But look here. You got a little move here if you get lucky, but look what happened. Bang! That was a fake out, bro. That wasn't a real breaking hole for a continuation. That was a fake out. They fake you out, make you think that bitch going up. That's why you see the volume wasn't agree with that move. And they got some other tools you can measure that to see that some move doesn't agree with. But let's keep going. If you're going to 10 minutes, you see the 10 minutes already tell you, yo, we didn't even close above 358. You feel me? You see, you're already getting, there's a big wick. You're already getting so much resistance from sellers. You understand what I'm saying? Look here. All right, the 15-minute close above, right? But look what it did. Now fuck that. Look at the 30. Got it? You see? Now you start seeing clearly. Yo, we're not even above this shit right here. We're not even breaking hole. Unless you want to do some scalping, that makes sense. That's why, like, when you're picking your swing or your swing position, you gotta confirm your setup. You gotta see your setup on the 4 hours. Now what I mean, and then you try to get entry like 1 hour, 30 or 15 minutes, even 10 minutes, because they just give you an early entry. But you gotta make sure you can see your setup on the 4 hours. That's what I'm saying. So my point is this: as you're going to the bigger time frame, the manipulation they be doing with the fake outs, you can see it clearly. You can see it clearly. Now I'm talking about, but some trader they set up to leverage that to their advantage. I mean, I don't have this type of system, because some trader they got system in place to capitalize on that. Hey, if you can, why not? If I could, I would. Like that move right there, that little move right there, you go in there with 100 100 contracts, shit, you be laughing. Doesn't take much. It doesn't take much to make like $4,000 or $5,000. But my system not set up like that. I'm not gonna waste my capital. Sky level hustle. You already know what it is. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. I'm out.